Hello and welcome to AKA Science. My name is Max, and this is Earth Science Club. Welcome to Class 6, Earthquake Engineers. I'm also going to be going over Classes 7 and 8 in this video since the activities bleed together. Let's jump right into it with our first activity, the Spaghetti Richter Scale. Begin by taking a single piece of spaghetti and bending it until it breaks. Explain that the spaghetti breaking represents a magnitude 5 earthquake. Tell your students that the next step up on the Richter scale, a magnitude 6, is actually 32 times stronger than a magnitude 5, and ask if they can therefore figure out how many strands of spaghetti we will need to break for it to be considered a magnitude 6 quake. The answer is 32, which you and the students can then bend and flex until it breaks as well. The next step up, magnitude 7, would be 32 times stronger than that. So you can invite them to do the math, 1024, or just use the rest of the spaghetti to illustrate the point. Clean up all the spaghetti splinters, and we can move on to the culminating activity of our Earth Science Club, your individual projects. This activity is broken into 3 sections. For the rest of Class 6, have your students discuss what they think would make a building earthquake-proof. Have them draw a design for an earthquake-proof building. Then, using the leftover materials in the kit box, start building models of their designs. In Class 7, spend the first portion of time continuing to build, and then we begin our first round of testing, earthquakes. Line the models up on a table and give the table a shake to simulate an earthquake. Increase the intensity of the quake to see which buildings survived the ordeal. Then, have your students revise their designs for the rest of the class time. Finally, in Class 8, after giving them a chance to finish any revisions they want to make, we can get on to Test 2, Tsunamis. Take a large aluminum pan and the cardboard wrapped in foil from Class 4, fill the pan with water, and test your students' design against tsunamis of increasing strength. Give everyone a chance to test their designs. Then have your students share with each other their reasoning behind their designs and what worked or didn't work. Now, clean up, debrief, and you're done. On behalf of all of us here at AKA Science, I'd like to say thank you so much for watching and enjoy Earth Science Club.